Welcome to Saisha Spectrum. In today's lecture, we are going to see difference between standard table and custom tables. So, very first, what are standard tables? So, basically, standard tables are the predefined tables which are used to store standard data required for the functioning of SAP modules, whereas custom tables are an user-defined tables. They are used to maintain the business requirements of an multinational companies. Whereas, secondly, a standard table they cannot be modified directly. Only it can be modified or update in the SAP system. Whereas in the custom tables can be fully modified by the developers, which allows the customization according to the business needs. Whereas in the standard tables is it follows the SAP naming conventions typically with a prefix like for example Mara and MAKT. These are the two examples of standard tables, whereas in the custom tables it begins with the Z or Y as per the SAP's best practice. For example, I have provided one example like Z employees. So this is basic difference between standard table and custom table. In the next lecture, we are going to see different types of tables like transparent table, pool table, and cluster table. Thanks for watching.